Hello, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to be talking about undefined sketch. So basically, undefined sketch is very simple. So let's click on the front plane and click sketch, and let's just draw a rectangle box, for example. And now you have your rectangle. This sketch is an undefined sketch. And there are two ways to know whether a sketch is undefined. The first way is the sketch will be blue. Anytime you work on a sketch, let's say I exit out of this sketch, that sketch is undefined, because let's just go back into the sketch and edit the sketch. And there are several ways you know the sketch is undefined. The first is the color is blue. The second is it would have this minus sign in it, and the third is it would say right down below here undefined. So that is an undefined sketch, and every time you sketch, you always want to make sure that your sketch is fully defined, and we will talk about that in the next lecture. Thank you, and I'll see you.